Facebook is next, a social media giant, the largest of them all. 2012 it came to the market. Mark Zuckerberg, the youngest and richest CEO just about of any major global group. He's winning, about to have a baby. What else could go better with his life? 2 billion users on a daily basis. I don't even know. Sometimes they differentiate between active users, but I mean 2 billion out of 7 billion people on the planet are using this service. That's amazing. And remember also Instagram, which has got 400 plus million users. WhatsApp, which is almost at 1 billion users. So they own all of those businesses. That's pretty impressive. $261 billion worth of market capitalization. Price to earnings ratio, very high, off the charts, 94. So revenue growth is very strong, but profits are still rather limited, not in dividend paying mode. Clearly people are using this and it's a powerful platform. They have done well in moving the thing onto mobile. Advertising relationships with global advertisers that use Facebook to market events, you know, all this likes for corporate accounts and that kind of thing seems to be doing well. Anything?
Sure. Look, I mean, ultimately this and Google are advertising businesses that access or provide that platform via a slightly different medium to traditional advertising firms. Where Facebook's done particularly well is on the mobile side. They make a serious amount of cash on the mobile side in particular, and then also their pay channel as well makes them quite a bit of money as well. So again, a business that has really almost the premium social media site in terms of being able to convert the number of users into actual revenue. I guess the long-term outlook is whether they're able to generate as much revenue elsewhere in the world as they are in the US in particular.
Yes, because you're right. Their average revenue per user is very, very, very much higher in the US, and some of the ads locally are not all that good.
Sure.
But what they have done, you've got to give it credit to them, is their technology people have maintained the platform and kept people interested in the way that they've made it possible for people to interact. They've added video. They've really done well at kind of creating interlinkages. It doesn't break often, and they are able to make it an exciting experience for people. And the number of hours a day or per week that people are spending on Facebook continues to rise.
That's exactly right. I think the single most important factor across all of these businesses is that they remain cool, whatever that means. The moment you lose the cool factor in this space, you're gone.
Because, of course, you're right, because, you know, celebrities use these platforms and to market themselves, and it all ties together. There's the 5-year chart. You can see it came to the market 2012, had a bit of a rocky start, but since then has climbed. I think it's got to $100, but it's sagged back a little bit with the market weakening. Hot or not on Facebook?
Phenomenal business, but it's rallied too far for me. Even with an anticipation of high margins and fast growth, it's a little rich for my liking.
So it's basically a concern you've got that maybe people are a bit too optimistic about the future, so you're paying too much for it at these levels.
Yeah, that's my view.
Okay, again, I'm happy to be jumping in this one, boots and all. I think you've got to own Facebook in your portfolio.